model, 53-plate Citroen Relay 1800 Hdi Mwb Flatbed Dropside tipper spares or repairs. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 93,429. Engine, 2178 cc 2.2 HDIA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it only needs injector number 3 replacing.to get back to tip-top condition. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, HPI, clear. Click the